All right, guys, M45 Infiniti 2007. Doing a little different for you guys on this video. From back to front instead of front to back. We put quad tips on it, there and there. And then a 2.5-inch custom system. All the way, as you guys can see, right there. Look at that. All the way back. This was another shop did this work, 2.25. On the car it looked even worse. It was hitting everywhere and everything. Then he brought it back to us and we cleaned it up for him. So that's what it looked like before, and that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And this was 2.25. This is 2.5. So we'll let you guys see it and hear it and all that good stuff in a minute. And like always, guys, please make sure you guys subscribe for more beautiful content. We get about 20% that actually subscribe, so we need more than that. There's the cats up there, so you guys can see cat there and cat there. And there's the 2.5-inch system all the way back. There it is. This side and this side. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And this beautiful honey. Wow! Wow! Again. Here's sound decibels. 123. Oh my God. Go ahead and back it out. Gee. How much? In that bay it was 102. M45 Infiniti. It's a clean little car. Insane how loud it is. Let you guys hear on the inside. True little straight pipe. It is loud and proud. Here's that idle. Listen to that thing purr.